Work hard, dream big, never give up. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a new word, vocabulary. Oblivious. Oblivious. Oblivious is an adjective because it describes a noun. All the names are called nouns. Oblivious describes a noun, so it is an adjective. The pronunciation for this word is oblivious. 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 Look at the meaning for the word oblivious. Oblivious means not noticing or realizing what is happening around you. It means not conscious of something, especially what is happening around you. You are not aware of something, you are not aware of things, what is happening around you. It means oblivious. Look at the synonyms for the word oblivious. Unaware, ignorant. If you are unaware of something, if you are ignorant of something, it is said oblivious. If you are oblivious to something or oblivious of it, you are not aware of it. You are ignorant. You are unaware of the thing. So far, we have discussed the pronunciation, meaning, and synonyms of the word oblivious. Oblivious means ignorant of something, unaware of something. Now, let us use the word oblivious in a sentence. Look at this example. Absorbed in his work, Ram was totally oblivious of his surroundings. It means, absorbed in his work, Ram was totally ignorant of his surroundings, unaware of his surroundings. Number 2, Jessie is oblivious to the world around her. Jessie is oblivious to the world around her. It means Jessie is unaware to the world around her, ignorant to the world around her. So far in this class, we have discussed the meaning, synonyms, pronunciation, and usage of the word oblivious. Hope you like this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.